Hello, my YouTube friend. Today, I want to do a little experiment to see how easy it was to find stuff on eBay. A lot of people always ask me, like, how do you find stuff on eBay? Where do you find deals? I'm jealous of you. How do you find this stuff? So every once in a while, I like to just hop on eBay and kind of look to see what I can find. So let's see how easy it was to find something. Whoa! That was pretty easy. It was like magic. Okay, let's be serious now. Let's talk about how to find deals on eBay and what % chance you'll find something really awesome. Now, I want to talk about something called the birthday paradox. The birthday paradox basically says if you're in a room with 23 people, there's a 50% chance that 2 people in that room have the same birthday. And at 75 people in the room, there's almost a 100% chance that 2 people share the same birthday. And you say, that's kind of crazy. Normally, if I went, I would have to ask 186 people, or whatever half a year is, for a 50% chance that they match my birthday. And 365 people to almost have a 100% chance that they're going to match my birthday. Now, the birthday paradox doesn't say that in a room of 23 people, there's a 50% chance that they have the same exact birthday as you. It's just that 2 people in that room have the same birthday. So with that logic, I say when you're looking for collectibles or things of value, you're not looking for one specific item. You know, if I go on eBay and I want, let's say I want this amazing Spider-Man Funko Pop. There might have to be thousands of listings that go through before one sells for a good price. So very statistically, a very, very, very small percentage. But if your variables are listings that are cheap and all of Funko Pops, then what's going to happen is statistically, it's going to be like the birthday paradox, and there's a good chance that there's a listing right now that's a great price. So when you look on eBay, it's not about looking for one specific, I mean, you can look for your one specific item, but the chances of finding a good deal on one specific thing you're looking for is going to be very low. But if you go on eBay looking for anything that's a good deal, your chances are very high. So when I bid on eBay, I just look for auctions where it has cool stuff for really cheap. And because I have a store, it makes it easier for me to sell off the duplicates. So I always tell people, if you have a way to sell your duplicates and sell the ones you don't want, it makes it easier to collect. Because what you can do is you can go on eBay, you can look for collections, and you're going to find some cheap stuff. So that's what happened. I found a collection. Now, what I usually do is I usually bid on multiple auctions. I think I bid on 6 auctions this time. I lost 5 of them, and I won 1. Now, this one is pretty awesome. I think I got a really good deal. You guys decide. So, there's 20... there's supposed to be 20 items in this box. Hopefully, the seller sent everything, and it arrived in good shape. Now, that's another variable. You do have to worry about stuff being damaged. But, okay, so I paid $98.50 for the box, plus $17.20 for shipping. So, that's $115.70. So, that's $5.78 an item, which I think is a really good price. So let's dig into this box and let's see what's in it. Okay, that's what the box looks like. It's full of bubble wrap and packing materials. Let's take some of this off so you kind of see what's in here. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. Now, you might see some stuff in here like, oh, why did you buy that? They're not Funko Pops. But trust me, I think there's a lot of value in this box. So let's dig into it and see what I got. All right, let's start digging into this box. Now, remember, I paid $5.75 an item. Some of the items, that might be a little bit high on the price because there's some Dorbz in here. So first, we're going to take out Saber-Tooth Dorbz. I have that one, so I'll probably be selling it. For Dorbz now, I think I'm putting them in my store for $7 each. I've decided that $10 is just too much. Even though that's the retail price they're supposed to be, no one wants them for $10. So $6.99 is my Dorbz price. Maybe $7 to $8.99 for exclusive ones. But still, that's more than I paid, so I'm happy with that. And then next we have... Oh, this is cool. Okay, this is the New York Comic Con exclusive Lucky Charms. Hilsa, I'll sell for more. I'll sell them for Pop Price Guide. I have that one already. But definitely $5.75 is a great price on him. Oh, this is cool. Okay, Black Panther Hot Topic exclusive Dorbz. I don't have that one, so I'm keeping that one. Alright. We got... Oh, this is cool. Walgreens exclusive Dorbz. The exclusives I might sell for a little bit more than $6.99, but I'm still not sure. It might be $7.99. I have that one, though, so I'll probably be selling that one. Okay. Another Walgreens exclusive, Batman Dorbz. That's really cool. I have that one already. So I'm going, it looks like I'm going through the cheaper stuff first, but just wait. Okay, we have the Donnie Darko. This is cool. I wish they did Donnie Darko Funko Pops. They haven't done any yet. I love Donnie Darko. So I'm really happy to get the Dorbz, actually. Okay, so I think that's all the Dorbz. Now there was a bunch of these double sets. So $5.75 each. I mean, that's a steal. I usually put them in my shop for like $20 so they blow out. So this is really cool. This is the Batman vs Superman in that green radioactive color. Or kryptonite. I guess it's supposed to be like kryptonite since it's Superman. So $5.75, that's cool. I have that one already, so I will be selling that. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, we have Pee Wee Herman Dorbz. Again, why didn't they make Funko Pop? I guess they are making Funko Pops of Pee Wee Herman, but that's cool. I'm definitely keeping that one. I don't have it. And, oh, this is cool. Okay, these I don't have any yet, so this will be my first one, but they're growing on me. I really want to collect all of them, and there's not a lot so far. So it's the New York Comic Con Lionel and Murmura exclusive vinyl figure set. $5.75 for that set. That is awesome. I'm actually really excited to get that because I want to collect these, but I want to get them cheap. I don't want to pay a lot for them. Okay, that was pretty cool for $5.75. Okay, then we have GameStop exclusive Hot Ryu and Violent Ken 30th anniversary Street Fighter double set. Really cool. I love these double sets. I just hate paying $20, $22 retail on them. But for $5.75, I'll take it. And I'm definitely keeping that one. I don't have it. Okay, next, oh, this is a really cool package. I'm having fun with it. Okay, cool. Next we have the Zebra Batman and Bullseye Batman double set. I believe I have this one. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. So I'll probably be putting this set into my shop for like around $20. I mean, I have to check the Pop Price Guide to see what it's selling for. But usually sell the double ones for around $20. But I got it for a steal. And remember, this is an eBay auction. It's not like I went to the store and I took them. I mean, this is something any of you guys could buy if you want to look around and try to find a collection. Okay. Alright, this is really cool. We have Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Star-Lord Dorbz with Milano ship Dorbz Ridez. This is from the Marvel Collector's Core box. I have this one already, so I'll probably be selling it for probably $20. I gotta double check the value on Pop Price Guide, but I think that's how much they go for. That's how I found this collection. I basically just looked up Dorbz Ridez lot because I was looking for more Dorbz Ridez. I want to collect them, but I don't want to pay $20 a piece. So I was trying to find a deal, and I found this collection, which, if you ask me, is pretty awesome. Okay, next we have... Oh, this is cool. So this is the Dorbz Ridez, the Flintstones, the Great Gazoo Flying Saucer. This is a ECC Comic-Con exclusive. I think this one is a little bit more pricey. It might retail at $30, $35, something like that. I really wanted this one, so this is what really made me think, oh, I gotta buy this collection. $5.75. I mean, that's a steal on that. I can't believe there's stuff in this collection. Oh, another tip. This guy lived in New York City, so if someone in California tried to buy this lot, they probably would have had to pay $100 shipping. But since I lived in New York, it only cost me $17. So another tip on eBay is you look for collections or big lots that are local to you or close to you, so the shipping will be low. Because shipping is really what kills it on a lot of this stuff. Okay, next we have... oh, this is cool. We have the Grinch Dorbz Ridez, where it's the Grinch, his dog, and his sleigh. That set's really cool, and I was really excited to get this one as well for $5.75. That is cool. These are cool. I really can't wait. I'm trying to get all the Dorbz Ridez, but I want to get them super duper cheap. But I'm doing pretty good. I mean, this collection alone really helps. Next, let's see what we have here. Oh, this is cool. We have Ultron versus Sigma, Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite double set. These are cool. It's a Toys R Us exclusive. At $20, $22 a piece, I've been kind of avoiding these. I don't think these have much upside. Like, I don't think people are craving to buy the double sets for a lot of money. And for some reason, people don't want to buy the more expensive sets and then overpay for them. But I think they're cool, and if I can pick them up for $5.75, I'm going to buy all the ones I can get. And this looks so cool. Awesome. Okay, steal. Again, eBay. This is, if someone brought them into my store, I probably would have paid more than what I paid on eBay, honestly. Oh, this is cool. Okay, we have Marvel vs. Capcom, Chun-Li versus Captain Marvel. This is the Hot Topic exclusive version. I think I had the regular version and not the exclusive version. So I'm really thrilled to pick that one up. And for $5.75, that's really awesome. Another cool thing. Oh, this is cool. Okay, we have the Attack on Titan Armored Titan. I didn't have this one. This is one I really, really wanted. I almost was ordering it for $15 or $20, whatever it cost to get. So I was so happy to pick this up in a lot for less than $6. The plastic's a little scratched right here, but I think I can polish that up pretty easily. If you watch my video on how I polish plastic, that's not a problem to me at all. Oh, that is cool. And I love 6-inch pops. Right now, the demand for these double sets, the Dorbz Ridez and the 6-inch pops, people aren't buying them. They're like, I don't want them because no one else is buying them. And that's sometimes the best things to buy are the things that other people are kind of like ignoring or aren't as exciting to them. They're still exciting. I think the 6-inch pop is cool as any of the other Funko Pops from Attack on Titan. Although a lot of the other ones are, you know, bolted and selling for a ton of money, and this one's not selling a lot. So why not pick this one up while it's cheap? Because people are ignoring it. I think it's cool. I always like to collect like the off-brand or the stuff that people don't have interest at the moment. A lot of times it's a great way to get a lot of really cool stuff before it's really valuable. And if it doesn't go up in value, that's okay. You're not missing out. You're paying cheap on it. Okay, next we have... Oh, this is cool. Okay, we have Horton from Doctor Seuss. I believe I have this one already. I picked it up when it was on sale for like $6 a couple years ago. So I don't know what the current value is, but since it's a duplicate, I'm sure I can get $15 out of it. I'm sure someone will eventually want it. It might take me a while to sell it, but he's cool. I like 6-inch pops. I really want to collect all these as well. Okay, next we have a Doomsday 6-inch pop. I have this one already. I've had this one multiple times. I think someone even gifted me one. And so I'll probably be selling him, but every single one I put in the store for $15 he's sold. So I'm not too worried about that. He's still a cool pop. I like him. I like the 6-inch pops, so I'm definitely sure someone will want that. And for $5.75, I got him for a steal. And then the last one in the box. This is really cool. This is a Morrowind Dwarven Colossus. This is from 2017 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. He just looks amazing to me. He's got this really cool like steampunk armor. He is an amazing 6-inch pop. I'm so happy to have him. I think he sells for a bit more. So for $5.75, he was a steal. So that's everything. I paid less than $120 for this lot. It's 20 items, so it's like $5.75 an item. I mean, that's just a steal. Even though there's some Dorbz in there, which are a little bit cheaper, I know I can at least get my money back on them. Or maybe even make a slight profit. And then all the ones I get to keep, it's going to be so cheap. I'm already paying cheap. And then the money I'll get back, I'll get them even cheaper. This is amazing. I love this one. I think this is my favorite. This one and the Armored Titan are probably my two favorite from this collection. This is so cool. So the lesson learned in this video is I want you to look for deals, not specific items, but for deals. Any deal. Just look at as much as you can and look for the deals. Bid on multiple auctions and you're going to win a couple of them and get a great price. And look for things that are kind of less in demand, like this, like the 6-inch pops, the double sets, the Dorbz Ridez, the Vynl. I mean, I think that was $20 at the con, and this is a cool double set. I wouldn't sell this for less than $20 myself, but I'm keeping it because I think it's awesome. I can't wait to collect more of these. And look for stuff that is closer to you, so the shipping's not going to be a ton, because shipping is what really kills lots. And so people in California might not bid on this lot because it might have been double the price with shipping. So that's maybe one reason why I got it for a great price. So that's something to remember, is the shipping. Especially on larger boxes, the shipping really jumps up because of the volume. The post office and UPS both charge more based on volume and not even the weight. So great deal. Yeah. If any of you guys that regularly come to my shop, if you saw anything in this video that I said I would be selling, just let me know in the comments below and I'll hold it for you if you want it. And just remember, this was an eBay deal. Any of you guys can get the same exact deal. All you have to do is look and bid. I want to thank my patrons for supporting my channel. With their help, I'm able to do more videos like this more often. If you want to help support my channel too, I'll put a link to Patreon right there. If you enjoyed this video and this is the first time watching my channel, why don't you click the robot's face to subscribe? I like making videos for you. And I'm also going to find a couple other eBay hauls right here for you to check out. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!